Okay. There, you'll be able to see it. Alright. It's pretty damn good. So I can live with that. Yeah, it worked. Very good. I'm happy with that. Everything else I'm real happy with. Not so much the tailstock, but I'll do some machining to this thing because I'm going to make me an adjustment. Well, not on that side, but on this side. I've seen a guy do it, and I'm going to do it. So I can move it in and out. There's a couple right there that you can adjust the angle. So there we go. Other than that, pretty friggin' tight. I mean, there's no play. No play. There, you can see it jump. There. Let's get it back over. It followed it right down that point. Where'd my lighter go? Flashlight. Where'd I put it? Okay, I'm happy. Very happy.